Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Las Vegas Luxury Real Estate Show. I'm Kevin Jaramillo, your host.
And I'm George O'Brien.
Well, welcome back, George. So, George, I think we're going to do something a little different today for the folks.
Good to be back. You know, today we're going to talk about luxury rentals here in Las Vegas, and you're going to be surprised at some of the numbers you hear and what's available. It's a really strong rental market for luxury, and I'm shocked at how much people are willing to pay to rent a luxury home.
Well, you know, sometimes they rent them because, hey, they're building a 10, 20, whatever $1 million home.
Right.
And they got to wait for it to be finished, and they're accustomed to a certain lifestyle.
Sure.
So they don't want to live in some, shack.
2,000 square foot home.
Whatever, right? They're like, no, honey, we are accustomed to a lifestyle.
Right.
So right now, currently, guys, luxury market, which would be in rentals, I've got it we're on the MLS here. We're at $10,000 and over per month. There are 61 properties available in the luxury market.
That's a sizable market for 10,000 or plus.
But listen,
10,000 plus.
Before we dig into these numbers, guys, remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. We're getting ready to give you a lot of great information here. Let us know that you like it.
It really helps us out. Appreciate it.
Let's dig in. So we're on the MLS here, and we can see the highest priced per month luxury home available is $100,000 per month.
Per month.
Now,
can we break that down by day?
By day? No.
Like $3,000, $3,300 a day.
A day. Right. So,
wow.
But look, this is somebody just deep pockets, love the house. I want to go through some of the photos on the house, not all of them. There's like 80 something photos in there.
Sure.
But just to give people an idea of what $100,000 a month gets you.
Okay.
Right. And let's see what they say. Typically, in something like this, it's all negotiable.
Of course.
Everything's negotiable on the high end. So let me pull it over here. All right. Well, as we can see, it's got a big motor court when you pull in. Looks like some nice artwork through there. Lots of garage space here. I believe this has 15 car garage. 15 car garage. So if you need to rent because you got a lot of automobiles, this could be a place for you. We can see it's in Henderson up there in that McDonald Ranch area.
Right.
So that means it's got, obviously at $100,000, you can expect this, views.
Sure, you better. Yeah.
The best of the best views, right? So that's an awesome view. That's your living room here. As we go here, this thing's got a bowling alley.
Do you bowl?
I haven't bowled in years. I mean,
me neither.
In the past, I've been in bowling leagues. We did.
Right.
Kathy and I. A lot of fun. So that's a movie theater. Look at that screen.
Yeah, it's like you're front row of the concert.
Yeah, it's one of those, 15-foot screens there with the city as a background.
God, basketball
court.
Okay.
Listen, $100,000, it has to have everything, right? So you can see it sitting on that bluff there. Infinity Edge pool up there. Nobody's looking in your backyard unless they got, telescope.
That's probably a $22 million property.
I would think maybe a little more than that.
So you think it'd be one of the top three price in the city?
Likely.
Yeah.
Likely. I don't know if this is the main kitchen but again, like a lot of the properties we see, just new contemporary feel. Mm-hmm. Look at the lighting. See this lighting here? You know what this tells me, George?
What's that?
This place turns into a nightclub at night.
Sure does.
That's what those are. Those are
them on the other side too.
This is nightclub. These are nightclub lights.
Okay, so you could have a party inside, outside, balcony, nighttime.
Oh. Yes, this is a party central house, but celebrity, somebody who's got net worth of $100 million.
Yeah, you hire a DJ, put him out there on the patio.
You got a net worth of $100 million. Hey, I want to see if I want to actually live in Vegas. Let's go rent there for 6 months or a year. I don't before I invest 20 or 40 million bucks.
Yeah,
right. And they're either going to come here and love it or not. And this would be the lifestyle that they would buy. So
that's downstairs.
That's downstairs.
Oh, jeez. You could actually, if you're the CEO of a decent sized company, you could throw a company party there.
You could.
At your house. No problem.
You could. So that thing, as we said, $100,000. It's 13,000 square feet. 13,416, 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, 15 car garage, obviously pool spa, built in 2017.
Well, here's another thing I'm noticing. So the one that's number 2 on the list is bigger, it's newer, but it's not in a better location. Look, it's in the 89145.
Let's take a peek at it.
So they probably don't have the views. It's probably in the
But maybe it has the amenities.
89145. Where do you think that is? Do you think that's closer to
It's still out there in Henderson area.
No.
So here you go. Single story, big backyard. This house is going to be about amenity. This thing's $75,000 a month.
Yeah.
So
It's a lot newer and bigger.
Oh, I know where this house is. This is in Queensridge. I know exactly where this house is. This is in Queensridge.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Which is right off of Charleston and Rampart area over there. Yeah, I've been by this house. Sure. So what's great about Queensridge, guard gated, you go through the guard gate, and then you have to go through another gate that you have to have the code to get in just to get to this house.
Right.
So it's very private, very secure.
Yeah, I have a tender spot for Queensridge. You know,
Here's another one of those water entries where you got to watch where you step. You don't want to fall in. Now, the problem here is there used to be a golf course here.
Badlands.
Badlands.
Right.
So when there was a golf course here, great. That was golfing right there. But the golf course has been shut down now, probably 10 years. Litigation. That land has been litigation for 10 years.
Right.
Not sure what they're going to do with it. So probably is why they're renting it and not selling it. It could be a tough sale because you're just looking at distressed land over here.
You're not going to get as much as you normally could.
Right.
You know,
I mean, the house itself, gorgeous, beautiful house. Amenities are top notch.
you know, and I heard there's a lot of vagrants hanging out in those areas too.
Down in there, could be. So here's this private tennis court. So it could be a pro tennis player that says, "Hey, you know what? I want to live there." So there you go. There's, you can see in the background here. This used to be all golf course, fire pit area. So again, at $75,000 a month, is that something? Is all going to be? I would think about location within the city, right? You're not in deep Henderson up there in the mountain. You're almost in the middle of the city, being at Charleston and Rampart area.
Right.
Could be because you work up in the center city and you want to be close to work. Let's go down to check the. What does $10,000 a month do you think get you, George?
Depends on the location, really.
So we've got 10,000, newest one, 2022. Let's look at the 2022 model. 3,800 square feet, 10,000 a month, 4 bedroom,
Jeez,
5 bathroom, 3 car garage.
It's not that big at all.
Not that big.
It better be really nice.
Let's see where it is first. And this is just to give you guys a gauge of, hey, I'm luxury. I want to rent.
Did you hit the map?
This is where I'm at. I did hit the map.
Okay.
So this is out in Henderson.
Off of Horizon Ridge Parkway.
Exactly. There's Horizon. It's on the back. So most of the stuff we see is down over here. Mm-hmm. There's a mountain right here. This is around the corner of the mountain.
That's why you don't see any houses.
So
lots.
You're gonna see the views, and we're gonna look at it probably of Sunrise Mountain. Mm-hmm. Okay, not likely to see the views of the city because it's on the opposite side of that mountain there. But let's take a look.
Yeah, it appears to be facing southwest too. So,
but it's a 2022 house, so that means it's got all the new amenities. There you go, right there. So it's nestled in up against the back of the mountain here. So this one here could be attractive for $10,000 a month. Newer house, got a swimming pool. And again, why do they rent these? They're killing time. So you're private up here. See that? Mm-hmm. This actually, George, is that neighborhood of our very first video.
Sure is.
So let's look at the amenities. They built a nice feature wall there. Big open kitchen, main area. So this is just about, we know everything's new here. But it's got a lot, whoever bought this house did a lot of upgrades. Again, 3,800 square feet. It's not a small house. It's just not a massive house.
Yeah, I'm not feeling the 10K though, to be honest with you, for 3,800 square feet.
If it's coming with all these amenities, your swimming pool, your workout room.
I don't know.
Yeah. Again, it's a personal taste. There was quite a few things in here for $10,000. I just picked the newest house. If we want to pick the biggest house in the 10,000 range, 6,200 right here. It's a 2002 property, Bloomfield. I don't know where Bloomfield is. You're in Sun City Anthem. You're in Anthem. This is Anthem Country Club here.
Right.
So you're inside of Anthem, right? So that's a nice home, nice area, guard gated.
So it's a nice community.
Again, these are folks that are spending this money. They have means. They have money.
Sure.
They're just waiting for a home to be finished for themselves.
Right.
They want to still live a nice luxury lifestyle. This person who would rent here is likely to be a golfer, wants to be part of that country club. Let me go join it now, live in there while my house is being ready.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, let's take a look at the house.
So that's who that's going to be. Where did it go?
Bloomfield Hills.
So there we have it. It's on the golf course. 6,200 square foot home. It's a custom.
Really good size.
Yeah, nice house.
Yeah, backs up to the golf course.
Backs
That's nice.
right up. Got yourself a nice pool there.
Now, see, this one here, I would take over the other one. Just me personally.
Yeah.
With the golf course community, you get the amenities.
Again, yeah, you're guard gated. Again, it's all about location, as real estate always is, right?
Right.
So it just only has the 4 pictures. We don't get to go inside.
Okay.
But just from the exterior, again, you're right. You're going to spend the $10,000 because of where it is.
Right.
It's inside guard gated Anthem Country Club.
Right.
So that's why you're going to spend it. Well, guys. Again, remember, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you like what you're hearing and understanding what the market is out there, right?
Sure.
Is that a lot of homes available? 61? Not really.
Not really.
Not really, because they're spread out around the whole valley. Depending on what side of the city you want to live on, it's going to be slim pickings for you.
Right. But how big is the market for people spending 10 grand a month? You know what I mean?
More than you think.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of multi-million-dollar homes being built. They take a minimum 1 year, usually 18 months to build those things. And so you're like, okay, I made a commitment. I'm moving to Vegas.
Yeah, one thing I didn't do, I failed to really study the days on market for all those rentals. Just wondering what they were.
They were kind of sitting there a little bit, right? But these are just the ones that are available. Let's go back to page 1.
I know the big ones. They've been on the market
up
for
there,
quite a bit.
You know, those the 3 highest, 50, 75, and 100 grand. Yeah, they're 6 months on the market. Those things aren't going to fly off.
Right.
But a lot of these are just a couple of months, 3 months.
Correct.
So they're leasing them, right? It doesn't fly off the shelf.
Sure.
All right. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick video about what the luxury rental market is all about.
Sure.
So, George, we'll catch him next one. We'll get him a nice tour. We'll go inside a couple of these.
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
Okay?
Yeah. I love field trips.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour. We'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Take care.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it.
Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and also that thumbs up button if you really like this video, if it helped you out and you want to watch more, hit that notification bell. We'll appreciate that very much. Also, look, if you're looking to buy or sell in the luxury market here in Las Vegas, you got to reach out to George and I. We're the experts here. So our information is below to be able to contact us. All right?
And we'll see you on the next video.
Take care.